Hey guys, welcome back to RTR. Today I just wanted to show you what we got today. We're going to be working on replacing the front brakes completely on my Ford F-150 soon, and we needed something a little more heavy duty. So we got this Power Stop Extreme Duty, Severe Duty Truck and Tow brake pads. So it comes with the brake pads which are carbon fiber and ceramic. And this is the Power Stop Z-36 version. They have a couple different versions. So Z-36. This is going to be good for most Ford Expeditions and Ford F-150s. And these come with the slotted rotors and drilled rotors. So I'm just going to show you what came in the box today. So the box itself that it came in is pretty big. It was a pretty good sized box. I thought it would all be kind of in a smaller box, but I ordered this one from AutoZone. They do sell it also on Amazon. So this is what it came with. So this is just the brake pads themselves. So it should come with all the hardware. There it tells you how to break in your new brake pads and rotors and stuff like that. So that's kind of nice. It gives you the information. There's your brake pad lubricant. So that's always good to have that with. There's your brake clips. And then the brake pads themselves. So nice and heavy duty. And then there's your installation notice. But yeah. Very nice brake pads. So yeah, like I said, this is for the truck and tow package. So if you're going to be towing or hauling a lot of weight, these are supposed to be really good for that. So we usually haul a lot of weight around here, so we're gonna see how they do. We had the Duralast Gold before, and they lasted 3 years, but now I just noticed that they started cracking, even though they still have 8 millimeters of pad left on them. So we're going to switch them out for some better rotors to see if they will last a little better with the heat and stuff. So yeah, this just kind of just shows you some information, Spanish. So there's kind of that. And then of course you got the rotors themselves. So now the whole package together is very heavy. It was about 70 pounds, I believe. So, and like I showed you, it's kind of a big box, so it's kind of awkward to carry. I had mine shipped to AutoZone and I picked them up there, so that was kind of nice, but otherwise, here's your rotors. There we go, looking beautiful. And it says which side it goes on, so this is the front passenger side. So yeah, they look amazing. So we'll be putting these things on very soon, so stay tuned, guys. So if you're going to be ordering the Power Stop Z36 package, this is all that you're going to get with it. So you're going to have to buy some spray and maybe some brake fluid. That's the only things you might need extra. So yeah, very nice package so far. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. We'll be installing these very soon.